Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my dear subscribers and all my beautiful viewers? I hope you are fine. Guys, first of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you can see very pretty, very stylish and very amazing looking trendy haircuts, hair coloring ideas, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, curly haircuts and hairstyles and many more other types of pretty and trendy haircuts and hairstyles. So guys, please watch my video till the end so you can see very pretty and amazing looking short haircuts. Guys, if you are a fashion lover and you always want to look very pretty and stylish, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. In my videos, you can take a lot of trendy haircuts and hair coloring ideas. My videos will be very helpful for the ladies who want to look very pretty and stylish in every event. Guys, you can share my video with your family and friends groups. I hope they will also like and enjoy my videos. My videos will be very helpful for the ladies who want to look very beautiful and pretty. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel so I can make for you more beautiful and more stylish haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Guys, please hit the like button, give me your precious opinion in comment section. Your feedback is very important for me. I always try to follow your comments, your instructions, your advices. So please comment in comment section and do support me by sharing my videos. Guys, in my video you can see very pretty haircuts. You can see the haircuts for round face, over face. You can choose the haircuts according to your face shape. These haircuts are very popular nowadays. You can also make such type of amazing haircuts by your neighboring salons. You can take a screenshot of your favorite one and can look very pretty and stylish in these haircuts. You can also make such type of amazing haircuts and make your hairs very beautiful. You can also see different types of hair colors ideas. These also looks very beauty and very pretty. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more beautiful, stylish and amazing videos. My YouTube channel is all about hairs. You can take a lot of ideas of haircuts from here. So you can subscribe my channel and can look very beautiful in these haircuts. Guys, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and family groups. I also love these beautiful haircuts. All are very stylish and are very easy to make. All these short and long haircuts look very pretty and beautiful, easy to comb. Guys, please watch my video till the end so you can see very pretty and amazing looking haircuts. Guys, if you are fashion lover and you always want to look very pretty and stylish, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. My channel is all about hair. In my channel you can see videos on hair and can take a lot of ideas of trendy haircuts. My videos will be helpful for the ladies who want to look very pretty and stylish in every event. You can make these haircuts and make your personality be very beautiful and gorgeous. Guys, you can share my video with your family and friends groups. I hope they will also like my videos and enjoy my videos. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel so I can make for you more stylish, more beautiful and attractive videos. Please guys, if you like my video, hit the like button. Give me your suggestions, your opinions, because your opinions and suggestions are very important to me. I always try to follow your instructions and follow your advices. So please comment me in comment section and do support me by sharing my videos. I will be very thankful for you for your opinions. Guys, all these haircuts are very easy to make and most of the ladies love to choose such type of amazing and pretty haircuts. I also love these haircuts because all these haircuts are very beautiful and amazing. So please watch my video till the end. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Share my video with your friends and family members. Hit the like button so you can see very pretty and amazing looking haircuts. Guys, if you are fashion lover and you always want to look very pretty, stylish, you can see my videos. You can take a lot of ideas of trendy haircuts and hair dye coloring ideas. My videos will be helpful for you. So ladies, please watch my video till the end. I will be very happy and thankful for you for your opinions. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Goodbye, take care.